Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome to Techni channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Intel stock heatsink. First we remove all the cables in the way. We are going to remove the cooler cable. Also, now we see this arrow. We rotate like the arrow indicates. That's 90 degrees anti-clockwise. We rotate them all four. Now we are going to remove the heatsink. First push all the pins up a bit to see if they are unlocked. Now we are going to remove the heatsink. We need to apply a bit of force. As you see, the thermal paste is very old and got a bit glue there. So now we are going to clean the heatsink. Also clean the CPU. You can use alcohol for this. Also we are going to use this thermal paste, thermal grizzly. Also using the tool they gave us, we are going to apply a bit of thermal paste over the CPU. Now we are going to use that tool to spread the thermal paste. Let me take the tool. It's a little spoon like. We are going to apply a bit of force. Gently spread the thermal paste. Okay, we are going to put some more thermal paste. Try again to spread it. This will take some time. Just do it gently. Also, because this method is not very good, we are going to use a credit card. I'm going to apply a bit more thermal paste here. I'm going to spread it with this card. It's from the SIM, orange SIM card. Okay, well, I'm going to spread it gently. As you see, it's much better than that tool thermal grizzly gave us. Now I'm going to put the CPU cooler right back. First rotate this back. That's clockwise. It's against the arrow now. Also 90 degrees. You can feel it when you rotate it, how much needs to go. Now we are going to fix it in position. Be sure to be right in those holes. Now we are going to push every pin. That's 4 pins. Also we are going to connect back the cable of the fan. Also are going to connect the cable of the PSU back. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.